Take another caller, Esther.
Yeah, you guys listening to the Just Enough Heshy Show.
Call in.
You could call in at 718-303-9090.
Take another call.
Hey, caller, you're on the air with Uncle Heshy, Esty, Jason, and Nick.
Hello?
Hello? Yes.
You're on the air. Talk. Make sure you don't have the radio on.
Yeah, this is you. Yeah, you know me. I don't want to say my name.
Okay. Hello, unnamed caller.
I'm joking. Guys. My name is Yehuda. I'm a film reporter on Instagram. Friends of your friends. They asked me to call in. I just heard the show. It's very nice about Naphtali and education. And while I'm listening and I'm on hold on the radio, I heard a lady say that college limits you because it doesn't make you be able to open up your own business. Did any of you hear that?
I heard that too, and I called it.
Sorry, it's not that it doesn't allow you, but if you go to college in general, you go for, let's say, a career. You want to be a doctor, you want to be a speech therapist. It's not like, oh, you go to college, you're going to make millions. I feel like a good percentage who have made millions have not gone to college. They've actually dropped out because they realized college was pointless.
So let me see if I was hallucinating or not. Then if I could repeat it, well, good. If not, it's not a good bet.
By the way, I disagree with Esther. I disagree.
No. So let me. No. Whether you agree or not, I'm just trying to make sure that I heard right, because I'm right now walking around in my mansion here in California, and I'm yeshiva educated.
Good.
And I'm walking around. I have a lot of frum people. I don't keep kosher, but I always bring kosher for frum people. I'm very Hamish, but I'm not frum. And if you want to figure that out, go to college, because they'll teach you a class on how Jews are Hamish and not frum. We've been
I'm just more pro-trade schools, that's all. They cost less, and they don't require that your whole life you should be paying them off.
Not exactly. You go to college, you know exactly what you're taking. So the whole trade school.
That's only if you know. A bunch of people just go to college and take liberal arts, and guess what? It doesn't help them unless you know what you're going for. It's not useful.
A lot of children of the rich take liberal arts because they want to be better people, not because they're looking to take liberal arts and try to sell paintings, because you only make money after you die. But that's not the point. I want to make sure that I heard right, because I'm very pro-Hamish people, but I just want to ask, is this right that college limits you from becoming rich, or it limits you from being poor? Let me finish this. It's a short sentence, because I'm trying to be so short. What's the maximum? 6 seconds? So does college limit you from being richer, or does it limit you from being poor? Does it make it impossible to be rich?
Depends how much you're spending on college.
To be poor?
Well, Esther.
It depends how much you're spending on college.
But you believe.
Okay, so let me finish off. I'm not going to take a lot of your time. Depends how much you're spending has zero to do with the question. Absolutely, that's what education helps you do. It helps you listen and process with your brain. It makes you think. College, you go in and you know exactly what you're doing. And if you have extra time in college, and you take a class on liberal arts, and then you join a Farbrengen, and then you go to a rabbi for Shabbos, and then you go to another pool party that has nothing to do with, when you go to college, exactly what you're doing there.
But I don't think most people do. A lot of people go to college not knowing what they want to do, hoping that college will give them guidance, and then it's
that has zero to do with what you said before. That has zero. You said that college limits you. So now Mark Zuckerberg, and I know a lot of college dropouts in the tech industry, because that's where I am. Mm-hmm. And a lot of these dropouts are not dropouts out of yeshiva. They're dropouts out of college, which means that they found something while they were in college. They didn't find something while they were on 13th Avenue. Now, the Naphtali Muster, I heard someone say he has a chip on the shoulder, and if you speak to Naphtali, and I'll tell you the Russian horror later, my question is, if the guy hates frum people, why is he trying to make their life better, and how is education going to make their life worse? If a person doesn't want to be frum, which is the only threat is frum. We're not worried about people being rich. We're worried about them leaving the fold, right?
Right.
So if a person's going to be no more frum, well, the Rambam is the first philosopher to start secular Judaism. If you read the Moreh Nevuchim, he explains how the Torah is just a product of the society. The Kabbalah is a Goyish thing. The Hanem is a Goyish thing.
Wow, I can't believe you're saying that.
The Rambam says it. That's why you're not allowed to read the Rambam. Only I'm allowed to, because I get the trace. You don't. But the Rambam is a scary book. It's a scary book, but once you read it, you realize that eating treif is not a moral sin. Hashem is not angry at you. It's a nice custom. I just came from a kosher restaurant by myself with a bunch of Hamish guys. I'm not going to teach them the Rambam on 1 foot, because it's 50 pages. But for people who don't keep kosher, they know exactly why. So then the same thing. So the Rambam explains the Kabbalah, So when you're worried about education, you're worried about changing the curriculum, it's the same thing why they're worried about Jews going to America, because America was a treif from Medina. What happened in America? Are we so treif? Did we not make Yiddishkeit for 50 years? So the guy is saying that Naftali has a chip on his shoulder because they believe that if they knock out Naftali, which is a guy that I am only worried about Naftali's parnasa, because a guy that's a hero, show me a hero, I show you a tragedy. A guy that cares about people's chinuch. How much is it going to hurt the guy? Because who's paying him for this? Well, he's giving his life.
I believe he's, 1 minute, stop. I believe he has an organ. Stop, young man. I believe he has an organization. I believe he's also like the rest of them. I know he's getting money from somewhere, and somebody's taking care of him.
You just made me feel better.
Well, I'm not happy that he's using. It's like a rabbi. You know, I have a rabbi in my synagogue that went around collecting for somebody. My synagogue. I'm gonna tell you his name if you want. I'm suing him. And he went around collecting for a man that was dying with cancer. And I gave him money the first time and something happened with it. And the second time again, he asked me and I gave him another $1,500. And you know what? He says, we didn't collect enough money, Heshy. I'm not giving it back. I'm going to use it for my own son's wedding. Now you tell me, is that correct? Is that correct? Is that correct? That is terrible. That's what most is doing. Most, woman, stop. You're not letting me finish. Most is doing the same thing. He started an organization, making believe he's helping people. Instead, he's collecting money. He's making a nice salary as the leader of the organization, and he's not really believing.
You don't know what he's doing. You can't say.
I believe that.
You believe it's not what's real.
I believe whatever I can believe. I want to believe whatever I want, and I'm telling you now that most it doesn't belong in the yeshivas. It's a private school. That means we do it every. I can. You know? Do you know? According to the law, I can educate my children at home.
Yeah, you have to
listen to requirements. My children at home. Now, most is going to come into my home and tell me how to educate my child.
If you're not living up to standards.
Anyway, Heshy, I have a question. You went off the topic. Heshy.
I'm here. Go ahead.
When you got angry in the WhatsApp group and you got the guy kicked out, did he really send you different pictures or you made up a blood libel?
So I have, just for your knowledge, and I'm going to prove it to you, and I thank you for your call. The guy, not only did he send me pictures that he was a Holocaust, I saved him. I sent him out. Somebody tried to set me up, Esty. I told you about this, and I showed it to you. He sent me a picture. He was an 80-year-old Holocaust survivor. Then he showed me he was a 13-year-old girl, and I don't answer, and I try not to. And right away, he comes into the group with his same number, and he's tracking. You think I'm 54 years old? Do you think I just lie and make stuff up? I don't have to lie, and that's why I'm running. And not only that, I run a very successful business. I help thousands of people, not hundreds, thousands of people a year. I feed hundreds of people every week. And I'm telling you now, I don't need anybody threatening or trying to trick me. And that's why I do walk around recording half of my conversations. And my reputation, by the way, young man, my reputation is clean and perfect. Yes, people have things to say about me, but there is no me beatings of wife or stealing of money or owing money. I do make mistakes all the time, and I tell you that every single day. But I'm telling you now, this is a world that people can get you on the dumbest of things. By the way, I want you to know one more thing. Yesterday, somebody got upset with me yesterday, and they filmed me. I promise you, I have the video, and I'll put it on the group. That they filmed me making a joke about an animal, and I was joking bad about the animal. It was a bad joke, and they filmed me, and he said, "Oh, look how bad you are." That's how the world is today. That they can blackmail you and threaten you on a dumb thing. And I'm only human. I make mistakes, and this is how they get you. You're right. I'm a politician. I want to be a politician. I have to be more careful. Well, let me tell you, I'm a father. I'm a foster parent. I'm a person that loves my fellow community, and I'm a human being. I wish I was an angel and perfect. I'm working on that, but I want you to know that everybody's out there to get you or get something for free.
Don't believe that.
I believe in college. I don't believe most is business. I believe my two boys finished college. 1 minute, my two boys finished college. The two girls that I have going through school are going to college. And they're not my girls. I have a third son going to college. I believe in college. You're right. Some people don't do, but again, it's the parents and the people's decision, not Moster. And I like.
If you get somebody better than Moster, we could remove Moster. If you get someone better,
I'm right here.
Now you're willing to go into the schools and make sure they get a good education?
No, I'm not willing to go to school.
Somebody has to do his job.
More mysterious nefesh, not less. I need more.
You're right.
Get a guy with more mysterious nefesh than Moster, we replace Moster.
Okay, we're gonna have.
But unless somebody's doing something, he's the shliach.
We're gonna. That's
messenger.
You're a very good caller.
More mysterious nefesh than Moster, which means Moster already has mysterious nefesh.
Okay, we're gonna talk about it. Thank you for your call,
Actually, what do you mean you don't believe in college? College is not a belief.
I believe in college. I believe in college without even thinking.
College is a scientific fact. It's not a belief of a driving.
I personally believe college is great.
College is not shading. It's not homeopathy. It's a reality.
I agree.
So what are you hacking? You don't believe in college?
I never said that.
That's what I said.
Essie said that.
I just feel like whatever you get from college, you can learn free online, and you can be more selective about what
And
you're being taught.
Just for the record, your salary without a college degree is less than $35,000.
If you believe that,
On
then
average.
that's
I'm
true.
giving you
Well,
averages.
most of the kids in Borough Park believe that Shaden exists. You understand? That's the problem.
Stop it.
Wait. Let me repeat it again. Stop it. Most of the kids in Borough Park believe that Shaden exists. You know what I'm saying?
You know what?
I believe that.
I believe that too. I
don't know that it doesn't exist. How can I prove it?
I believe.
Yeah, but Heshy, for $3,000, I have a Shaden removal.
Okay, I don't know about that. That's already selling
I'm
me.
actually crazy. I just.
Sorry, we got it. The show's almost over.
The show's almost over. I got to take another call, but thank you for your call.
Yeah,
by the
call
way,
back next week.
He's wrong, by the way, on the point of that the religion, not religion, the Rambam. I believe that he's wrong.
I want to read the Rambam now. I'm very curious what's written there.
The Torah is not just a guide. The Torah was given by God. The Bible was given by God.
Yes, but any criticism, judgment, or hate is not God.
Okay,
that's all.
Well, I'm just telling you that all these books are really given by God, and we're translating more deeper for the dumbbells.
And
like
just some people translate it negatively, and that's not God.
Well, he was wrong, but I like his call.
Yeah, it's very well spoken.
By the way, just to clear it up, I do believe in college. I do believe in Turo
I'm
College,
pro-trade schools.
And trade schools, but I still believe. I know that we need Jewish doctors. I know my daughter-in-law became a PA. I believe that my other daughter became my niece is becoming a doctor. So I believe in this stuff. I have cousins that are doctors that help you with gastro, will help you with other stuff. So
let's take one more caller.
Let's take one more caller before the show is over.